Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open the Pinterest app or website and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll need to be on the main feed or home screen to access your messages. Step 2. Look for the messaging icon, which typically looks like a speech bubble or envelope in the top right corner of your screen. Tap or click on it to open your messages. Step 3. Find the conversation you want to delete messages from. You can scroll through your message list to locate the specific person or group chat you're interested in. Step 4. Once you've opened the conversation, look for individual messages you want to remove. Long press on the message or right-click it to bring up options. Step 5. Select the delete option from the menu that appears. You might see choices like delete message or remove, depending on your device. After you confirm, the message will be permanently removed from your chat history.